Chainsaw Charlie. This making another video. Ain't much else going on. Sitting uptown, Findlay, Ohio. It's about 38 degrees. Just downloaded a cool app off of the Play Store. Now I can download some music. So kind of excited. It's been taking me forever to find a good app to get music off of, even though my other phone got limited on it. But I still like to have a backup where I'm still listening to music. Power ever goes out, or tenors, or satellite, or whatever goes out. So plus I got this thing that hooks onto my bike, and so I can put my phone in it and just ride around town and jamming out the music. So yeah, it's I think the wind's about 14 miles per hour. It's about 30 degrees. It's not that bad, but it feels like 30 degrees, but it's really 38. I'm just up here chilling. So, you know, just figure make another YouTube video. Ain't much going on. Saturday night, can't wait, 9 o'clock. Live PD's on. So, watched it last night. It's pretty good. So, yeah, just living the dream right now. Alright, much going on. Whoops. Dropped some stuff. Oh my god. Keep dropping stuff, guys. So, yeah, I just went to Rite Aid and got something to drink and got the newspaper. See what's going on in the world, because I don't got a cable anymore. I got the HD TV antenna. I'm only picking up like 12 channels, but hey, it's better than nothing. So just out here relaxing. You want to see the popos? Where's the police? Uh-oh. He's gonna come and find me. He's gonna probably come and check on me. Or he's gonna do a traffic. Yeah, there it is. Speed trap. Oh man, I wish the wind wasn't blowing. The wind wasn't blowing, it'd be alright. The wind is terrible. It's been windy as crap in Ohio. Can't ever get a break. If it's not windy, it's raining. If it ain't raining, it's snowing. Love Ohio weather. Makes you excited. Maybe we can get somebody pulled over. Catch somebody get pulled over. We'll see. Popos. Y'all motherfuckers better slow the fuck down. He gonna get you. Get you a nice big fat ticket. So, not much else going on. I think later next week's supposed to be in the high, maybe almost 70 degrees. That'll be nice. Give these damn air conditioners, or ACs, not ACs, what am I talking about? I need more pop. Heaters a break. This weather's terrible. It's been a long winter, and it's supposed to be spring right now. Well, it's definitely not spring. Doesn't feel like it. So, well, I'm gonna get off here. I might make another video in a little bit, or if I see the cops pull somebody over, I can try to take a video of it. So, ciao. Chainsaw Charlie out.